Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel Root Food at Home, and today we are making yummy chocolate dessert. This is my favorite chocolate dessert. I really like it. For this dessert we don't need any fancy ingredients. It's so simple and so much yummy. So let's get started with the ingredients. We will be needing milk, some sugar, custard powder, some crushed biscuits, Oreo crushed biscuits. We are using Oreo biscuits. Pinch of salt, instant coffee, and my favorite chocolate, dairy milk. Now let's get started. Firstly, we'll take a pan and put some milk in. Now we will add 7 tablespoons of sugar and wait for boiling. Now we will take instant coffee and put hot water inside it. Now we will mix it very well. Chocolate and coffee combination is really cool. Now we will take custard powder and put cold milk inside it. Then we will dilute it really well. Our milk is boiled. Now we will put the custard mixture inside the milk and stir it really well. Boil it 5 to 7 minutes. Now add pinch of salt. Now we will add coffee and mix it. Our custard is ready. Custard is coating the spoon, so that means it's ready. Now turn off the flame. Now let's add some chocolate. And then mix it. Keep mixing until the chocolate would be melt inside the custard. Now we will wait until it chills. Now take some fancy glass and put the chocolate powder inside them. So our custard is chilled. We will put second layer of custard in the cup and then again the chocolate powder. Keep putting the same order of layers. Our yummy dessert is ready. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with friends and family and enjoy your yummy summer dessert. Bye. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care.